How's it going, everyone? Today I'm reviewing and doing some audio tests on the microphone I recently bought and the one I'm using right now, the FIFINE K669. A USB condenser microphone with a cardiopolar pattern that offers some insane value for the money. Okay, so I actually got the T669 for around 45 euros in AliExpress, which is basically the same K669 microphone bundled with all the accessories you need for your home studio. If you want to get only the microphone and the small tripod, you can do so, and you can get it for around 30 euros. I will leave all the links to these products in the description. So let's take a closer look at the microphone. We can feel that it's all metal and it has a typical studio mic appearance. It's quite compact and has a good weight considering the size of it. It features one knob labeled as volume, which lets you adjust the audio gain depending on how far you are talking or singing from the microphone. The microphone is powered by a USB Type A to Type B cable that is detachable. That is great news because it means that if it ever breaks, you can just replace it and carry on with your recordings. Note that if you get the version with only the microphone and the little tripod, the cable won't be detachable. So I really recommend you get the bundle version. Okay, so the cable itself is 2.5 meters long or 8.2 feet. And it's actually pretty good quality with metal housing on both connectors. And now let's take a look at the other accessories we get. The first one is the mentioned small metal tripod, which is perfect if you're traveling and you want to bring the microphone with you. You also get this foam cover that, now that I look at it, it kind of makes the microphone look like an English Queen's Guard. It just needs a gun and a fancy uniform, and there you go. Isn't that cute? Alright, moving on. This pop filter is also included, and I gotta say, I'm impressed of how sturdy it is. It's made from metal and it clamps onto the included arm stand, like so. Looking at the boom arm, it's nice to see that it's also made entirely out of metal except for the joint adjustable knobs. And it slots right into the table mount, which is also made of metal. This one has a rubber pad only on one side, so I just stuck a foam pad on the other side and it works beautifully. Alright, so the next thing you get is a shock mount that screws into the golden end, and therefore completes your setup. Now you just need to secure the microphone in place and plug it into your computer. Windows will automatically detect and install the drivers for you. So now it's finally the time for some audio tests. I will play all the audio straight up from Audacity without any editing or noise reduction, and I'll set the audio gain to 50%. I recommend you use headphones in order to appreciate the differences. So let's begin. How's it going, everyone? This is how I sound on the FIFINE K669 talking from 15 centimeters or half a foot away. How's it going, everyone? This is how I sound on the FIFINE K669 talking from 30 centimeters or 1 foot away. How's it going, everyone? This is how I sound on the FIFINE K669 talking from 60 centimeters or 2 feet away. How's it going, everyone? This is how I sound on the FIFINE K669 talking from 120 centimeters or 4 feet away. How's it going, everyone? This is how I sound on the FIFINE K669 talking from 260 centimeters away or 8.5 feet. Good. And now we'll hear those same clips after a noise reduction, a compression, a bass and treble boost, and a decibel limiter. Let's fire up Audacity and I'll show you how to do that. Alright guys, so here we are now in Audacity, and what we're first gonna do to this unedited clip is we're gonna select a few seconds of background noise, then we'll go into Effect, select Noise Reduction, Get Noise Profile. Good, so what we just did there is basically take the noise profile of that little sample. So now we can go ahead and apply it to the whole track. For that, we will press Ctrl A on our keyboard and then go back to Effect, Repeat Noise Reduction. This will take a few seconds, and once it's done, the background noise of our clip will be reduced. Next thing we're gonna do is go again into Effect, but remember guys to always keep your track selected. So okay, now we go into Effect, Compressor, and I'm just gonna apply the default, which is this one. We'll press OK, and it applies the compressor. We can see that once you apply the compressor, the volume changes. In this case, it has increased. Good, so next thing we're gonna do is the bass and treble boost. For that, we'll go into Effect again. We're not going to bass and treble, but we are going to filter curve. Here we can see that it's in the bass boost already because I applied this into another project. And this is how you are probably seeing it right now. So to get the bass boost, we'll go into Manage, Factory Presets, Bass Boost. Now we can see it again. We'll press OK, and the volume has increased even more. And now we do the same thing for the treble. We go into Manage, Factory Presets, Treble Boost. And this time, these frequencies are the ones that are gonna be boosted. We press OK, and it just went off the charts. So we don't want the clip to get too loud because you'll get audio distortion. So what we're gonna do now, and this is the last step, is we're gonna go into Effect again, all the way down to Limiter. And here you're gonna make sure that you have selected Hard Limit. And then into the option of limit to a certain amount of decibels, I usually set it between -4 and -6. So we'll just go ahead and click OK. And now we can see that our clip has been literally chopped off. Great, so let's go back and see how that sounds. How's it going everyone? This is how I sound on the FIFINE K669 talking from 15 centimeters or half a foot away. How's it going everyone? This is how I sound on the FIFINE K669 talking from 30 centimeters or 1 foot away. How's it going everyone? This is how I sound on the FIFINE K669 talking from 60 centimeters or 2 feet away. How's it going everyone? This is how I sound on the FIFINE K669 talking from 120 centimeters or 4 feet away. How's it going everyone? This is how I sound on the FIFINE K669 talking from 260 centimeters away or 8.5 feet. Alright, so I hope you can hear the difference with just a couple minutes of editing. Of course, I'm not a professional audio editor, so I'm sure there are better ways to get the most out of your clip. But honestly, this really works for me. So overall, I think this microphone is an awesome deal for that price. You can get a full high-quality recording setup for less than 50 euros, and that's all that needs to be said. Thank you so much for watching. Remember to subscribe and let me know in the comments if you found this video helpful. With that said, I'll see you very soon. Take care guys.